Today I'm painting a picture of this beautiful scene, but you'll have to wait till the end to find out what it looks like.
Yeah.
This is the old mill, and I've been lucky enough to stay here for a few days. I'm spending my time here doing a painting for my wife's grandmother. I've got the caravan all set up here in the arena, which was originally used for horse riding. Some of these buildings here date back to as early as 1902. I started by setting out my table and chair so I had the right perspective of the scene. I decided to use a two-point perspective approach. I really enjoy doing two-point perspective drawings because they're quite easy, but they also end up looking quite realistic. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do more videos about two-point perspective drawings.
No.
Now that I'm done sketching my drawing, it's time to take a break with my dog Kelly. Okay, now it's time to get into the painting. Here's my palette. It looks pretty messy, but that's just how I work. I like to have the colours out and just use them from previous paintings, so I end up using colours from last time, and it kind of connects all my paintings in a way, I guess. I normally like to use pretty bright colours in my paintings, but in this case I wanted to use muted colours because it's quite a bright setting, so I really wanted to try and capture that. So now I've done what I usually do, and that's to do the lightest colours first. The parts of the drawing that were especially light, like for example the lighter part of the ceiling, I left white, and anything else that needed an undertone colour, I did those first as well. So even though the part of the tin roof that's quite dark wasn't light, I did that because I wanted to get a shade of blue underneath all of that colour, so I did that first. It was at this point I realised that I hadn't paid enough attention to that super cool brick wall right at the back there. It's got lots of texture, so I wanted to try and capture that by drawing it using pencil first. I had my assistant Kelly check my work to make sure I was on the right track. By this point I'm on a roll, I'm going for it, and I've forgotten, I'm sorry, to film the bit where I painted the brick walls. If you look closely in the shot here, you can see that I've left a lot of the wall white still and just added a bit of a shadow and painted a few of the bricks. And now I get to do my favourite part of the whole drawing, which is the ivy. I love painting leaves and flowers, so this is the bit I was most excited for. At this point I realised I wasn't very happy with the way I had painted the light, and I decided to remove some pigment from the concrete floor to show that there was light falling from the roof onto the floor. I then added more detail to the drawing using darker colours. I did this to all elements of the drawing. That's what really makes the drawing pop, so I did that for the corrugated iron roof, the ivy, and all the other bits. And finally, the drawing is all finished. It's time to remove the masking tape and see what it looks like. If you enjoyed these videos, please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.